Hey there, let me ask you this. How many hours did you spend this week just trying to keep your operations organized? Emails scattered everywhere, spreadsheets constantly updated manually, and documents floating across Google Drive, tasks without clear ownership, deadlines also slipping through the cracks. If you are an operations lead or project manager, you know this pain. Your systems are scattered, your tools are disconnected, and the team uses multiple platforms that do not talk to each other. And by the end of the week, you are still asking what is actually done and what is still pending. So most teams spend more time managing work than actually doing work. There's no single source of truth, and before you know it, your operations run on chaos instead of clarity. So let me show you how we solve this. We built a comprehensive operations workspace for a construction company, and it is a structured, centralized system designed to bring every part of the business into one place. It organizes projects, departments, and processes into a clear, connected system, so you always know what is happening, who is responsible, and what is next. Whether it is project tracking, managing clients, or monitoring HR processes, this system gives you the visibility and control without the overwhelm. So first, as you can see from the components, here's how we structured it. This is ClickUp, the central workspace for all operations. We also store SOPs, templates, and shared documents under the resource hub. So this is also inside ClickUp. And then we use Zapier to automate the repetitive workflows, creating project folders, updating deals, and syncing sales information into ClickUp. We also created dashboards that visualize project progress, employee onboarding, and material deliveries. And there are also some forms and embedded tools to capture client inquiries and warranty requests directly from the website. So as you can see, this is the first space, and here we structured it as client projects, then operations, then sales, then HR, and finally the resource hub. We also created an all tasks view, which is the centralized view for all employees. They can see comments, due dates, status, priority, time estimates, and list names. And from this view, they can complete their tasks, see their daily tasks, manage orders, and things like that. And then you can see there's a client project space. Under that, there's a master project list folder with several lists inside. This is essentially the centralized view of all projects with detailed status tracking. You can instantly see what is happening with Project A, Lindsay, or any other project. So you do not need to go into each individual project folder. Instead, you can see all the information from this single list. And then there are some other views and lists as well. As you can see, there's a project materials and deliveries list, which also shows all project information in one place. And then you can see project change orders grouped by project name. And then there is the project client communication list, a subcontractor directory, and this covers the full setup for them. There's also a warranty request form. If there is any warranty needed, they can embed this link into their website and share it with the client. When the client opens it, it will show the form. When they submit this form, it automatically captures the information into this list, a template is applied, and as you can see, there are many tasks. These all come from the template. We also built 13 automations inside this list. Then there is a separate project folder, which is mainly created from Zapier automation. So when any deal stage changes, and if it is handoff to operations, automatically Zapier will check and create the project folder here. This folder is also created from automation, the template is applied, and you can see all the information populated. Under this, you can see the first list is project details, which tracks every stage from the post-sales meeting to quality checks. And there are other views like the Gantt view. We added the Gantt view so they can see all the information in one place. There is also a handoff meeting details, so the team can update information during the meeting and work on action items. There is a by role view, a task category section, a schedule section by crew number, and the calendar. Also, you can see materials and deliveries, which manages procurement and delivery timelines. There's also a change order list for each project folder, which captures live requests for project changes. Then there is client communication, which replaces email threads with comments for easy updates. So the team does not need to go to the email section to send and receive emails. Instead, they will just do it from the comment section directly inside ClickUp. And lastly, you can see the construction manager routine tasks list. These are recurring tasks automatically added by automation into this list, triggered from the project details list. In addition, there are other views like the warranty requests, subcontractor directory, which sits inside the master project list. Then there is the operations space, which is mainly for shop tasks. The team can add anything into this list, any kind of day-to-day operational work that is not tied to a specific project. And then we created a sales space with two lists. One is deals and the other is clients. This is dynamically synced from HubSpot using Zapier, ensuring sales updates are always visible inside ClickUp. So as you can see, we built a detailed automation workflow in Zapier. It checks whether the deal already exists in ClickUp. If not, it creates the task. If it finds the record already in ClickUp, it will update it automatically, so the team does not need to manually create or update anything. Zapier handles it all automatically. Then there is the clients list. As you can see, when a deal moves from sales to operations, it is automatically added to this list. We also created an HR space. Under that, there is a recruitment section with two lists. One is positions and the other is recruitment. Positions tracks open roles and headcount. And recruitment uses an embedded website form to automatically capture candidate information automatically. And then there is a training section for internal onboarding resources and standard responses. Then there is an employee directory, as you can see, which is auto-populated from a form. There is a form for this. And then there is an onboarding list. And then you can see the offboarding list, which applies structured workflows automatically whenever any employee is joining or leaving, populated from templates and updated automatically. Also, then there is the HR tasks list where the team can add any tasks so that nothing gets forgotten. And lastly, there is a software and password manager section, which stores all information about the software tools they are purchasing and using. There is also an SOP space so that the team can check and update all standard procedures. At last, we also built a resource hub and templates section. As you can see, this is the project folder template. From this template, all main project folders are created. And there is a ClickUp training guide so the team can follow standardized workflows inside ClickUp. And there's also a templates section where we created many task templates for them. So whenever anything is created, the right template is applied automatically. And as you can see, this is all set up and ready. And lastly, we created an SOPs space. We recorded many video SOPs for them, and there are also written document SOPs available. So this is the full system we built for the client to automate the entire process. ClickUp is connected with HubSpot, as you can see, and it is also connected with other tools like LMN, with all automations running through Zapier. So the full process is automated. The team does not need to do anything manually. So what are the key outcomes here? Centralized operations, all projects, tasks, and communication in one place. Full visibility, the operations team always knows the status and priorities. And efficiency, fully automated workflows eliminate manual updates, and everyone understands what is happening and who is responsible. And this is fully scalable. The system grows with the team, not against it. So the team operates from clarity, not chaos. Leadership has visibility in real time, projects run smoothly without micromanagement, new hires get up to speed faster, and the business runs efficiently, fully systemized. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more system design insights. And if you would like us to build a centralized operations workspace like this for your company, visit www.camelai.tech and send us a message. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. And thank you for watching.